Okay, it is day 118 of coding every day. Um, so didn't get the call today. I know there's a few hours left in the business day, but they would have called by now. I know they would have called. So, um, yeah, I guess I didn't get an internship. This is really, really depressing. So I guess it's weird. Like, like what I said yesterday, I got the offer for the RU, the research for the summer. Um, Not even like a little bit excited about that, to be honest. Um, it's just not what I want at all. Like, I know it's like better, obviously than working like my student job over the summer. But at the same time, is it really? Like, it's this thing of like I'm trying to think of like something obviously needs to change, right? I mean, 300 applications, only one interview, and then I didn't get the job. So it's like stuff needs to change. And I feel like I don't know that RU just like sounds like not. It doesn't sound appealing at all. Um, I don't know. I have till next Wednesday to think about it, but um, yeah, I don't know. I don't know like what needs to change exactly, but I know what I've been doing is not working. Um, so yeah, uh, yeah. I mean, I guess this means I'm doing the series for fucking 500 days, so that's whatever. But yeah, as for what I did today, not too much. I just worked on the UI for the project of making sure that when we do a request to the simulator, it responds back with the correct information to the API so that it can update, the UI, um, and all of that. And also, I was doing really weird string checking, like a starts with instruction, whatever. I don't know why I was doing that. So I made it so that because the whole thing that we're doing is how it is probably a horrible way of doing this as well. But it was just what I thought of using like the Flask API in a sub process. Um, but so my UI kept freezing, so ended up putting in a thread to run it on like a separate thread that worked. Um, and um, but so what's happening is I'm running the process and I'm doing like a standard input to the process and it's reading that and then it's doing whatever and then it's just printing literally a print statement, and so that's the standard output of the simulator, and so we're reading the output, and so once we get that information back, we go to the UI and we update it with all the response from that. And so today was making sure that we showed that DRAM got, full of the instructions in the text file that was uploaded. So and that went pretty well. Still so much to work on. So much more UI stuff to do, and then starting to work on the pipeline. Um, so I'll probably work on that tonight as well. But I want to just end my screen recording, and um, I guess I'll go get something to eat or something. But yeah, pretty disappointing. Um, so I don't know. Um, I don't know what's really next. Like what to chase next. What will make me an appealing candidate for new grad stuff. Um, I think it should be I should probably specialize in something, but I don't know what that is. So I don't know. I don't know. Just so many I don't knows. It's just but right now I'll focus on trying to make the decision of the RU and what I want to do. And then yeah. So, but thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow, I guess. And maybe I'll talk about this longer about what I want to do. So, okay. Take care. Bye.